So the third reload I'm going to show you is called a tactical reload. Depending on who you are and what field of work you're in, this might be very applicable, might not be. There is a time and place for it. Usually I just do the speed or emergency. I'm not going to fumble around with a magazine. There are some people that like doing it. Let me show you what it is I'm talking about. So you're here, you're engaging with the threat. All right. After you shoot the bad guy, you're going to take your magazine and you're going to hold it between your fingers like so. At this time, I'm going to come up underneath. I'm going to drop that one, reinsert this one, keep this mag for a later time and place. Let me show you that again. Bang, 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 bad guy's there. I want to do a tactical reload. I put my finger on the tip of the bullet, just like all the others. I'm going to come here. We'll see my hand. I'm going to come here, drop, reinsert. Take this, put it back in my pocket, and get back in the fight. There's three different options. The reason why this one might be important, number one, hey, I get it. If you're in the military or whatever, you don't want to be dropping your mags everywhere if you don't have to. But in reality, in my home, I'm probably not going to go through too many magazines statistically. However, there is a point to this. If I'm here, I'm sure you can hear this, and I drop this magazine, that will definitely give away your position. You don't ever want to let the bad guy know where you're at. So there's a time where that extra noise could cost you your life.